YouTube.
I'm here to redeem myself. If you tuned into the last video, I failed miserably. I failed you all. I failed myself. I failed my self-confidence. Today we packed up the whole family and some friends and we're gonna go check out the Green Barley Festival, an actual Green Barley Festival in Gapado. Gapado is a smaller island off the southern coast of the main Jeju island, and we're at the ferry terminal right now. Oh. We're at the ferry terminal right now, waiting to board the ferry to Gapado. So we're gonna go there and check out some real green barley. Alright, we are in line waiting for the ferry. I see it! It's coming! It's coming! There it is! Right there! That's the ferry that we're going to be boarding. So once we're on, I'll show you around. Yeah, there's like thousands of people, maybe not quite that many. So we're sitting down here on these seats. If you look behind me, you can see the seats go all the way back. So there's plenty of space for everyone here. I just noticed that there was a deck on the back, so I came out to check it out. So if you see, this is the back of the ferry. Yes. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that there's an upper level, so let's go check that out too. Wow. This is so fun. Yes, this is the upper level of the deck. There's so many people here. There's like an indoor upper level and an outdoor upper level. We finally found a spot that we liked on the upper deck on the side of the ferry. We're just standing outside. There's a... That's the... 오빠 비켜! 오빠 비켜! That's one of the entrances to the upper deck. And we're just standing right on the side of it. And you can see the back there. We're still waiting for the ferry to depart. But once it does, it's gonna be amazing!
It will move!
It will move! Okay, so we just got off the ferry and we're going down the pathway towards the island. Oh my gosh, this area is just so cute. It's just so cute. I didn't know what to expect, but this is so cute. Redemption! I found it, guys. Green barley! Yay! I did it! I'm pretty sure that's green barley. If it's not, then we're all fooled. It's really pretty. We got so caught up with the scenery and taking pictures and videos and all that good stuff that we may miss our ferry ride back, so we gotta book it. Let's go. So we're closing out our trip, and I'm so sad to leave. We booked the ferry so that we'd be here for 2 hours, thinking that that would be plenty of time. But man, time flew by so fast, and it was really not enough time. So we've actually already started talking about coming back before the festival is over to enjoy it some more. It's amazing. It's so amazing. If you have the opportunity to, I would recommend coming to the Gapado Green Barley Festival.